So we've made a start on the beetle. We've been doing the imperfections in the roof. We started building that side. We started building up because there's imperfections. The front's done. The wing's done. That wing's done. The front bonnet just needs, I've half sanded it. I'm just going to finish sanding that in a minute. That can go black, so it's all gone matte black. Then we've got a couple of little bits just need touching back up there, and that there just needs a little bit more fillering. Done a couple of little bits just there that's just blistered, but it's a little bit of skimmer filler that come out really well. Car has been shot blasted before I got it, or sandblasted. The only thing that needs done, any welding at all, is just that sill needs a new plate put in it. You see where the bolts go to hold the side steps on. But then if you look at the passenger side, you see basically the way it's plated up. So an easy little plate. This is 1973. It's a 1.2. Had the interior done before I got it, because this is exactly how I got it, so I'm just finishing the paintwork off pretty much. And it's got no spark, so we've got to see about getting it running. The seat's up because I had the door card off looking at the bolts that holds the back wing on. You see it's all been done. You can see it needs clean out because there's still a lot of sand in there. Needs a good hoover out. This is done 165 or 64,000. It's got a modern CD player in it, and it's got some speakers, so I will be wiring them up. So I've been building away at the side, as you can see. Got that nice and level. I've just got to get that another sand down. That door's done. That wing's pretty much done. So this is ready to be sprayed. Logan's just sanding down, just sanding the roof down again. That door's done. That's done, just needs another sand.